How to enable cookies on Android. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily enable all cookies on your Android device. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing you're going to have to do is access any web browser where you want to enable cookies. I will be using Google Chrome. And once you open up your browser, you're going to have to access your browser settings. To do that, you'll usually find a three dots on the top right or the bottom corner. Just tap on it and another menu will pop up here and you'll find the settings menu right below, indicating with a gear icon. Once landed on your settings page, depending on the browser, you'll find your cookie settings right outside, or if you don't see your cookie settings outside the settings, you're going to have to head over to privacy and security. And on this site, you will have third-party cookies. Just tap on it. And as you can see here, currently all of the third-party cookies are blocked, meaning I won't be able to get anything. So if you want to enable all cookies, tap on allow third-party cookies and sites will work normally. And after doing so, just go back and now you've successfully enabled cookies on your Android device. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys and I'll catch you on the next one.